If you can score at least 30 out of 40 on this ultimate medical quiz, your health knowledge is seriously impressive. You have 10 seconds to answer each question. Hit that subscribe button right now to activate your brain power and lock in your good luck. Let's begin.
Question 1. What is the medical name for the collarbone? Scapula, clavicle, sternum, or pelvis? The correct answer is option B, clavicle. Question 2. Which organ is responsible for producing bile? Stomach, pancreas, liver, or kidney? The correct answer is option C, liver. Question 3. What is the medical term for the eardrum? Cochlea, retina, tympanic membrane, or cornea? The correct answer is option C, tympanic membrane. Question 4. How many primary, baby teeth do humans naturally get? 20, 24, 28, or 32? The correct answer is option A, 20. Question 5. What is a normal resting heart rate for a healthy adult? The correct answer is option B, 60 to 100 BPM. Question 6. Which organ filters and destroys old red blood cells? Spleen, liver, kidney, or heart? The correct answer is option A, spleen. Question 7. What type of natural sugar is found in milk? Fructose, glucose, sucrose, or lactose? The correct answer is option D, lactose. Question 8. Which glands sit directly on top of the kidneys? Thyroid, pituitary, adrenal, or pineal? The correct answer is option C, adrenal. Question 9. What are the lower pumping chambers of the heart called? Atria, ventricles, aortas, or valves? The correct answer is option B, ventricles. Question 10. Which blood vessels carry blood back to the heart? Arteries, capillaries, veins, or bronchi? The correct answer is option C, veins.
Question 11. What is the medical term for the shoulder blade? Clavicle, patella, scapula, or humerus? The correct answer is option C, scapula. Question 12. Which tube carries food from the mouth to the stomach? Trachea, ureter, esophagus, or pharynx? The correct answer is option C, esophagus. Question 13. Which protein carries oxygen in the blood? Insulin, keratin, collagen, or hemoglobin? The correct answer is option D, hemoglobin. Question 14. What is the medical name for the tailbone? Sacrum, coccyx, lumbar, or ilium? The correct answer is option B, coccyx. Question 15. Which enzyme in saliva helps break down carbohydrates? Pepsin, lipase, amylase, or trypsin? The correct answer is option C, amylase. Question 16. What are the tiniest blood vessels in the body called? Venules, arterioles, capillaries, or aortas?
The correct answer is option C, capillaries. Question 17. Which hormone primarily regulates the sleep-wake cycle? Cortisol, adrenaline, melatonin, or serotonin? The correct answer is option C, melatonin. Question 18. What is the medical name for red blood cells? Leukocytes, erythrocytes, thrombocytes, or phagocytes? The correct answer is option B, erythrocytes. Question 19. What is the medical name for white blood cells? Leukocytes, melanocytes, leukocytes, or osteocytes? The correct answer is option C, leukocytes. Question 20. What is the longest muscle in the human body? Gluteus maximus, biceps, sartorius, or deltoid? The correct answer is option C, sartorius.
Question 21. Which spiral-shaped part of the inner ear helps with hearing? Iris, cochlea, pharynx, or larynx? The correct answer is option B, cochlea. Question 22. What pigment determines human skin, hair, and eye color? Keratin, hemoglobin, melanin, or bilirubin? The correct answer is option C, melanin. Question 23. Which gas is a major waste product exhaled by humans? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon monoxide, or carbon dioxide? The correct answer is option D, carbon dioxide. Question 24. What fluid cushions the brain and spinal cord? Plasma, synovial fluid, cerebrospinal fluid, or lymph? The correct answer is option C, cerebrospinal fluid. Question 25. Which vitamin is chemically known as ascorbic acid? Vitamin A, vitamin B12, vitamin C, or vitamin E? The correct answer is option C, vitamin C. Question 26. What is the thickest muscular layer of the heart wall? Epicardium, endocardium, pericardium, or myocardium? The correct answer is option D, myocardium. Question 27. What bone is located in the upper arm? Radius, ulna, humerus, or femur? The correct answer is option C, humerus. Question 28. What is the primary medical purpose of sweating? Remove salt, clean skin, temperature regulation, or burn fat? The correct answer is option C, temperature regulation. Question 29. What structure connects the left and right brain hemispheres? Brainstem, cerebellum, corpus callosum, or hypothalamus? The correct answer is option C, corpus callosum. Question 30. What is the medical name for the throat? Pharynx, larynx, trachea, or esophagus? The correct answer is option A, pharynx.
Question 31. What is the medical name for blood platelets? Leukocytes, erythrocytes, thrombocytes, or lymphocytes? The correct answer is option C, thrombocytes. Question 32. Which organ is responsible for producing most of your cholesterol? Heart, stomach, liver, or kidneys? The correct answer is option C, liver. Question 33. What type of joint is the human shoulder? Hinge, pivot,
gliding, or ball and socket? The correct answer is option D, ball and socket. Question 34. Which part of the eye contains light-sensitive photoreceptor cells? Cornea, pupil, lens, or retina? The correct answer is option D, retina. Question 35. What is the medical name for the smaller calf bone? Tibia, fibula, femur, or patella? The correct answer is B, fibula. Question 36. Which hormone is often referred to as the stress hormone? Insulin, oxytocin, cortisol, or estrogen? The correct answer is C, cortisol. Question 37. What is the body and brain's primary source of energy? Protein, glucose, fat, or fiber? The correct answer is B, glucose. Question 38. What flap of cartilage prevents food from entering the windpipe? Tonsil, uvula, epiglottis, or larynx? The correct answer is C, epiglottis. Question 39. Which disease causes dangerously high pressure inside the eye? Cataracts, glaucoma, macular degeneration, or conjunctivitis? The correct answer is B, glaucoma. Question 40. What is the medical term for the breastbone? Clavicle, scapula, sternum, or rib? The correct answer is C, sternum.
Out of 40 health and anatomy questions, how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun quiz challenges. Thank you for playing.